Welcome guys to BreakIT, FixIT. On this episode we're going to be working on a Bumpy muffler on a 2003 Renault Megane. First thing first, let's check out the situation right now. So we've got a hanger hanging on the subframe of the car, and the other side we've got it bolted into the muffler. Those two are supposed to be linked, but since it's broken, let's start off by unbolting the smaller one, which is bolted on the muffler. Once the smaller one unbolted, we take off the second bolt, which is bolted in directly into the subframe. Once both pieces are out, we can clearly see that this piece is clearly broken. There's no way we can fix it, so we bought a new replacement for this piece. This piece would be fitted in to our new muffler. One side is going to be bolted in on the subframe, as for the other one, as we've seen before, would be bolted on the muffler. On with fitting the new piece on the car. Start by bolting in the piece on the subframe. It's going to be much easier to fit the muffler or to fix the muffler onto the new piece as compared to getting it to the bolt. After bolting both of the bolts, the muffler is hanging in tight, quite snug, and our problem is quite fixed. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos.